This demo will demonstrate how easy it is for tenants to submit a repair request. One way for tenants to easily access your portal is to place QR codes inside your property. Tenants can then scan these to be directed straight into your My Repairs portal. They will first be met with a list of repair categories. They can either select one directly or use the search to find a specific subcategory. Selecting this will fill out the sub and main category for me. We'll then attach an image of our issue, which is a broken air conditioner. As we're premium users, we can ask AI to describe the issue for us. By combining categories, images, and AI-assisted descriptions, My Repairs Online will help eliminate vague requests, which can cause delays and unnecessary callouts. They are free to amend the AI description if they need to add or remove anything. We will then fill out our contact information, including our email and address. If there's anything extra they need to input, this can be included inside of the text box shown. They can also give a preference as to whether they want to be there or not when the repair is carried out. This repair has now been submitted. You will then receive an email asking to approve the repair. After this is approved, an email will be sent across to everyone who has email notifications configured, giving an outline of what the job entails. If you are using a property management software such as Decorus, My Repairs Online will automatically post the job in your software, ensuring every request gets logged without the need to manually re-enter the submitted details. If you want more information on having your own branded tenant portal, visit myrepairs.online. Thanks for watching.